Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Hobby back at you guys with another video. Now in today's video I will be giving you guys a new sneaker unboxing. Now, I know I give you guys like a lot of hype sneakers, a lot of new sneakers, but today we actually have something special because it's an absolute steal that I'm about to show off to you guys. I know I caught a lot of stuff off StockX, but today I caught my first shoe for under retail on StockX. And I kind of just wanted to go into detail because a lot of people, when they think of StockX and they think of resale market, they just think of like Nike Off-Whites and all like the hype sneakers that sell for like $500 over retail. However, today I wanted to show you guys that there's more to like StockX than just copping stuff for like way over retail, and you can get some absolute steals on there. So the next shoe I'm about to show you is a shoe I got for $40 on the retail, and it recently just came out, I believe in July. So it's been a month since the release, and they have a bunch of new colors coming out in September in about 2 weeks, I believe. Saturday, September 14th, or Friday, September 13th, they're releasing more colorways. But before I get into the sneaker, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe, and feel free to follow me on Instagram below. The link for my Instagram will be in the description to see how I style all my sneakers. Now, first and foremost, let's just get right into it with the box. It is an Adidas Boost. It is the Adidas Solar Hue PRD. So it is the Pharrell Williams Solar Hue. Now, it just comes in a standard Boost box. Box is damaged. Now, retail on this shoe is $160. I got these for $120 shipped. So $40 on the retail. You guys can do the math. Probably even cheaper on the retail, because if I would have got these at retail, I would have to pay like Chicago tax, which would have been like $174. So even like $50 on the retail. And here they are, right off the bat, triple black. I went with the triple black ones just because easy to wear with everything, doesn't get dirty. So this was part of the, like, I forgot what the pack was called, but they had a gray one, they had a cream one, they had a white, and they had a black. And then the ones that are coming out later on September 13th, there's a red one, a blue one, a yellow one, and a purple. Definitely want to go after the red one, but I'm probably going to wait to cop them on the retail on StockX. Now, I did wear this shoe today, all day today. I just wanted to wear it today before I did this video so I could give you guys my honest opinions of the shoe. And honestly, this is probably the most comfortable shoe I own right now. Like, I'm not even bullshitting. Right now, after I wore this the whole day, I can honestly say it's almost more comfortable than the Yeezy 350 V2. As you can see, it's got the full length boost. It's pretty much Ultra Boost with this Pharrell upper, which I like. The Pharrell branding is right here, the hue and the triple black branding. It has a Continental outsole as well. There are hits of 3M on the shoe. The laces are 3M, and this like silver thing right here, not really sure what this is called, but this is also 3M. Adidas logo right here, and then a blackout boost on the inner logo. And yeah, that's about it for branding on this shoe. Sizing on these, I would go down half a size. Actually, I would try these on. So I actually went to the Adidas store at the Water Tower place in downtown Chicago. I went to go try these on before I made the purchase. I was eyeing these because I just liked the shoe when it came out, and I just heard they were super comfortable, so I wanted to try it out. I was just waiting to get it for the right price. So I went to go try these on, and they only had a 10 in stock, which was kind of weird. I thought they would be sitting, but they were actually like sold out in stores. But they had a 10 in the gray one. They let me try it on. It was actually like the last pair they had. I had to pick it up off like the display and try it on. I realized that they fit like perfectly. So the size 10.5 probably would have been too big, and my toe, it just fits me like, it's just like a perfect fit. But the weird thing is, I had a Pharrell NMD, which was a 10.5, and that one fit a little big. So I think the Pharrells like run long, and like the Adidas sizing, like I honestly don't understand the Adidas sizing. Like Adidas or Yeezy 700s, I'm a 10.5, fits me perfectly. Yeezy 350 V2s, the 10.5 is too tight. I had to get an 11. I mean, there's a little bit of room, but it's not like major. Like I said, I couldn't get a 10.5. It like hurts my foot too much. And then the Yeezy 500s, I'm an 11, and it fits me like perfect. So I don't know. Adidas sizing is all over the place. So honestly, I think I got a pretty normal size foot. Maybe it's a little wider, but I really don't know. I think it's a pretty normal size foot. So if I was you guys, I would go try on this shoe. I know there's going to be multiple colorways. All the multiple colorways are dropping at Foot Locker. So if you can't go try these on, just wait for those to come out and try them on. I believe all those are going to be going under retail on StockX. So if you're looking for a good like fall running shoe or just like shoe to go like cruise around in, and I think this shoe just like looks really sharp on feet, and these are super light, they're super comfortable. Like I said, I wore these all day today. I can't wait to beat the crap out of these, especially this black colorway, because you can just wear these with anything. You don't have to worry about it getting dirty. So I absolutely love this shoe. And I forgot to add, it does come with white laces as well. I'm not sure if the other colorways come with extra laces, so you would have to buy them and see. But yeah, they do come with white laces, so if you want to add a little pop to this shoe, you can do that as well. But I'm definitely think I'm going to keep the black in, just because I like the black on black. I like the triple black. And so yeah, that's my review on the Adidas Pharrell Solar Hue. Like I said, you don't have to cop all hype sneakers. Like, not the best shoes are the hype ones. There's a lot of good shoes out there that go for under retail, and it's just because there's so many shoes being released each week. Like I stated in one of my previous videos, it's so hard to keep up with sneaker releases, so there's going to be a lot of good sneakers that go under the radar. And like the Pharrell hype has just completely died. They are coming out with more NMDs, which are also dropping alongside these. I have no idea if those are going to resell. I just don't know what happened with the Pharrell line. It kind of just like died. But I really like this model, and I'm definitely going to pick up the red one for under retail. So I don't really care if it's hype or not. These are super comfy. And hey, if I can get these for $40 on the retail, that's a win in my book any day. So if you guys are looking for some dope like fall shoes to like cruise around in, if you guys do a lot of walking, I would recommend picking these up, especially for under retail. Like I said, you cannot beat getting a shoe for $50 under retail. And a new shoe too, like this isn't no on sale. Like these shoes are still sitting for $160 at some like stores that got them. So yeah, that's just a little hat tip for you guys. I encourage you guys to check out the under retail section at StockX. It doesn't even have to be these shoes. They have a ton of shoes that go under retail, and there's a lot of good shoes that you can find for under retail. So that's my video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.